Just when you get the hang of new and improved, some chucklehead decides to redesign everything. The workshop is in an uproar. Schneelock is tearing out what little hair he has left with a pair of needle-nose pliers. Microsoft has updated Windows and crashed everything again. I'm not able to get my old friend Movie Maker to work. Word is telling me that I don't have rights to open any files. All in all, this has been a big gobbledygook kind of week. The new editor is trying, it just isn't the same. I know what the problem is. I got used to using a really bad editor and found 100 ways around the problems. Then I set up all kinds of poka-yokes to make it work. Now they aren't working, and I don't remember all the stuff I did to set them up. This happens every year or so. It wouldn't be too bad if it always failed the same way. I take notes of what I did and how it was fixed. Problem is that Windows 10 isn't Windows 8.1. The fixes don't work the same. Time to get out the big hammer and straighten this thing out again. Don't tap 'em, give 'em the boot.